If you want to perform a factory reset of your PS5, all you need to do is go to settings right up there, select settings, and then you want to go to system, select that, and then with system software selected, flick right and then scroll all the way down to reset options, select that, and then go ahead and select reset your console. Now of course you'll get a warning that all users and all data will be deleted, and also console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on this PS5. This will basically reset your PS5 back to the default settings. So if you want to proceed, flick right and select reset, and the reset process is going to begin. Now before you do this, make sure you back up all the data that you need backed up. But that's basically how to do a soft reset or a factory reset of your PS5 console. Thanks for watching and good luck.